How to set up a Cloud VPS with MaxReseller, step-by-step guide. If you run into any issues, MaxReseller's support team is always ready to assist you. Email support@maxreseller.com, phone +91 85 3887 7078, reliable support. Anytime you need it. Access the login page. Navigate to the MaxReseller Client Area login page. Enter your credentials, email address. Input the email address associated with your MaxReseller account. Password, enter your password. Log in. Click the login button to access your account. Access the Cloud VPS page. Navigate to the MaxReseller servers section. Browse the VPS plans. You can now compare features such as CPU cores, RAM, SSD, storage, bandwidth, pricing, and server locations. Select a plan and proceed to order. Once you find a suitable VPS plan, click Order Now to proceed to checkout or configure your server. Complete the payment after selecting your VPS plan and reviewing your order. Click on Pay Now. Scan the QR code displayed on the screen using your preferred UPI or banking app. Follow the prompts on your mobile device. Wait for confirmation, and your payment will be processed automatically. That's it. Your order will be confirmed shortly after the payment is complete. Click to continue to the client area. Next, click on Services, then select your service name. Now click Open Control Panel. You're now ready to set up your server. Enter your name, choose your host name, set your time zone, select your operating system. You can also add an SSH key, optional. If you need more options, click on Advanced Options for extra features. Once you're ready, click Install. Please wait while the process completes. When it's 100% complete, you'll receive an email with all your server credentials, including IP address, username, password. Finally, open your server dashboard and you're ready to go. If you run into any issues, MaxReseller's support team is always ready to assist you. Email support@maxreseller.com, phone +91 85 3887 7078, reliable support. Anytime you need it.